Evening Report by NBC News. Premiere 2020. Close Up by E! News. Around the World by BBC News. 60 and 6. Premiere 2020. Vice. Premiered 2013. More Vice 52 of 96. The Best HBO Original Series 95 of 129. The best shows currently on the air. Oregon Field Guide. Weekend. Premiered 1974. Primetime, What Would You Do? Premiered 2008. Dan Rather Reports. Premiered 2006. TV with TV Jonathan Torrens. Premiered 2009. NewsWatch TV. Tech Toyz. How's Your News? Premiered 2009. Business Nation. Premiered 2007. Sptimo Axios. Premiered 2018. Xpos. Premiered 2007. Reporter's Notebook. Extra. Premiered 1994. West 57th. Premiered 1985. TV Nation. Premiered 1994. Street Sense. Premiered 1989. See It Now. Premiered 1951. Real Sports with Bryant Gumbel. Real Sports with Bryant Gumbel. Primetime. Premiered 1989. Prairie Fire. PM Magazine. Nightly Business Report. Premiered 1979. Nightline. Premiered 1980. I Caught. Premiered 2007. Global Sunday. Geraldo at Large. Premiered 2005. Frontline. Premiered 1983. Inside Edition. Inside Edition. Evening Magazine. A Current Affair. Fox Magazine. Premiered 1997. E60. Countryfile. Premiered 1988. G4 Underground. Premiered 2009. Gaytime TV. Premiered 1995. 20/20. Premiered 1978. Chronicle. CW Now. Premiered 2007. 60 Minutes. Premiered 1968. More 60 Minutes, 163 of 339. The best TV shows of the last 20 years, 90 of 389. TV shows that only smart people appreciate, 16 of 76. The best CBS shows of all time. 48 Hours. Premiered 1988. More 48 Hours, 8 of 57. The best reality dramas, 36 of 47. The best current CBS shows. E-News. Premiered 1991. 90 Days. Dateline NBC. Premiered 1992. More Dateline NBC. 23 of 24 current TV shows you totally lie about watching to sound smart. 47 of 116. The best shows on Peacock and the series we can't wait to watch. CBS News Sunday Morning. Premiered 1979.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.